Hi, today we're going to teach you on how to delete your past orders from Amazon. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's begin. The first thing that we need to do is to head on over to the top right of our screens and go on over to returns and orders. And all of your past orders will be presented here, let's say 30 days, 3 months, or this past year. However, once your products is now visible, there will be no actual delete button, or there will be no actual delete button. The only thing that you can do is to simply archive it. So the premise is you cannot delete your past orders in your orders, however, you can archive it for it to be hidden. And that's how you actually hide, not delete, but hide your past orders from Amazon, because you cannot actually delete your past orders. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.